In today's video, we are going to be talking about Dynojet's latest tuner. This is the Power Vision 4. You can flash it from your phone, it's Bluetooth. We're gonna go over all of its capabilities, what you can do with it, what you can't do with it, basically everything that you should know before you buy one of these.
What is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see in the title, today we're going to be talking about the Power Vision 4. This is what I have used to tune my bike with the Stage 2 upgrade that I just did. If you don't know who I am, my name is Miles. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. I work at Independence Harley-Davidson in sales, so I am on the front line, all up in the Harley world. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Help my channel grow, and you can learn a lot watching my videos. I've got a lot of videos, so you can go back and watch them all. But today's video is going to be all about the Power Vision 4. We're going to talk about how to use it, what you can do with it, what you can't do with it, basically everything that you need to know before you get one. I realized there's not many videos on YouTube about the Power Vision 4, and when I got it, I was a little bit confused of how to use it and what to do. Now, if you're new to my channel, you may not know this, but I did have an Iron 883 way many moons ago that I did the Stage 4 Hammer Performance Kit on, and I did use the Power Vision 3 on that bike. And I already know a lot of you are going to tell me the Power Vision 3 is capable of a lot more. Obviously, there's an auto-tune function on there. You can leave it on the bike. You can watch the stats of the bike. You can watch your engine temperature, all that stuff. The Power Vision 3 is great, but I did not want to go that route just because of the hassle that you have to go through plugging your laptop into the bike, downloading the program. It's just a lot of headache and a lot of work that I didn't want to do. I just wanted to flash the bike and be able to ride it with my new cam in it. I just wanted it to be easy, and I have to say that after doing it with the Power Vision 4, it is very, very easy. It is very user friendly. So basically, I'm going to walk you through the steps of what I did. So as many of you saw in my last couple videos, I did a couple performance upgrades to my bike: the S&S cam, the Fueling BA air cleaner, the Screaming Eagle throttle body, and prior to that I had the Screaming Eagle 462 cam in the bike with the Screaming Eagle tuner. Now what I did was I purchased the Power Vision 4 because I knew I was going to use it when I did the upgrades. If you saw in the last video, my bike threw a bunch of codes. Let's see if we can clear this code real fast. We're going to go through here. ECM, there is a code.
You're gay for my code. You're code gay.
So when I first got the Power Vision tuner, I took it down to the garage. First off, I downloaded the Power Vision app. There's an app you can get so you can sync it on your phone, because this tuner is Bluetooth. You're going to be able to flash it with your phone with an app from your phone. So I got the tuner, I got the app, I got on Power Vision's website, I got it all kind of set up. And then what I did was I took it down to the garage, plugged it into my bike, and I married the tuner to my bike. I didn't flash the tuner to the bike or anything like that. All I did was marry the tuner to the bike. I made the bike and the tuner one, and then I cut off the bike and everything like that because I didn't have a tune to flash to it. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, I'm going to get this tuner, and maybe there is a tune that is already pre-programmed that I can flash to it. And that depends on what you're doing to your bike. If you're just doing a Stage 1 to your bike, you can definitely get away with that. If you're just doing pipes and an air cleaner, you would definitely be able to get away with just getting this tuner and using one of the tunes on it to flash to the bike right out the gate. Now, if you're doing more than a Stage 1, you're gonna run into a little bit of complications. Basically, there's no tune that's on the tuner for a stage 2 right out the gate. Only the stage 1, which kind of sucks. After this, the tuner was married to the bike. I got on Fuel Moto's website. Fuel Moto is a great company. They offer a bunch of tunes and everything you can pay for. Yeah, the bike's sounding really good right now. I just got the 5K service done, and man, she is screaming. She's screaming. So anyways, you're gonna want to get on Fuel Moto's website. You're gonna want to go through there, and basically you're gonna pay for a tune from them. You're gonna give them all your information. You're gonna say, hey, I've got the Powervision 3, or I've got the Powervision 4 in this situation, and you're gonna tell them what you did to the bike. I told them everything that's done to my bike. I told them the tuner I had. I paid about $100, and the next day, it was pretty quick. They got back to me pretty fast. The next day, they emailed me and eventually sent me the tune. Let me step back here. Before this, I had the Screaming Eagle tuner on the bike, and I just ran the bike with the Screaming Eagle tuner. It ran okay, but after I flashed the Fuel Moto tune to it, it ran a lot better. So you can do the S&S 475 cam and use the Screaming Eagle tuner. It does work, but you're just not going to get as much. And eventually I'm going to take this bike and get it dynoed and really get it dialed in. But for now, this tune is doing great, and I'm very happy with it. So you go on the website, you buy the tune, you tell them everything you got, and then you wait to hear back from them. After the next day, they emailed me, and I had the app on my phone. Once you get that Powervision app on your phone, they can actually just email the tune right to the app, and it goes right to it. So the next day, I went down, I seen that they had sent me the tune on my Powervision app for the Powervision 4. I plugged it into my bike, I pulled up the app, and I flashed the tune to the bike, and it was that easy. It was that easy. So this tuner is going to come in at a better price than the Powervision 3 because it's not capable of as much, but it is just as easy and user-friendly to use. I mean, I had no problems using it, and I'm very happy with how the tune turned out. And like I said, I do want to get it dyno tuned and get it dialed in, but as far as using it, it was pretty easy. You know, you can get the tune flashed to your phone basically from Fuel Moto. Unfortunately, Dynojet doesn't have any, you know, more complex tunes on there, which really kind of sucked, because I was hoping that I could just flash a stage 2 tune from Dynojet onto the bike, but it wasn't that easy, which kind of sucked. So you do have to go through Fuel Moto to get that tune, but it wasn't too big of a problem at all. You just get on your computer, you buy it, they send it to your email. They actually send it right to the app, the Powervision app on your phone, and you just flash it right to the bike. And after I flashed it, I mean, the bike ride's completely different, you know? Yeah, this bike is unhinged now. I mean, it rips. First and second gear, I notice a significant amount of torque, extra torque that I'm getting, and third gear, I mean, it just keeps pulling. It just keeps pulling. Woo! A lot of fun. So, if you're thinking about doing a stage 2 or a stage 1 to your bike, even a stage 3, the Powervision 4 is capable of a lot. You can do it, and the thing that I like about it is it was so easy just to plug it in, marry it to the bike. I didn't leave it on the bike. It's not. You can if you want. You can leave this on the bike if you want, and you can look at the Dynojet Power Vision app, and it'll tell you some stats and stuff like that, but I'm not worried about any of that. This is for people that just want to flash a tune to the bike and go. And it was that easy. I had to pay $100 on Fuel Moto. They sent me the tune. I flashed it to the bike. Bada bing, bada boom, it was done. And it runs great. It runs great. So if you're out there and you're thinking about getting a tuner, yeah, the Power Vision 3 is great. It's a great tuner, but there's just a lot of stuff that goes along with that tuner that I was not really looking to do this time around. I wanted to make it a good video for you guys so you know what's going on, how to use it, and yeah, if you got any questions, obviously feel free to leave them down in the comment section for me. I'll try to get back to you, but the Power Vision 4 is going to be capable of a lot in the future too. From what I understand, they're going to be doing a lot with it, and you're going to be able to just use your phone and flash it to the bike. It's that easy. It's that easy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
So if you're looking for just like an easy tuner, Power Vision 4 is cheaper than the Power Vision 3, and you can do a lot with it. I'm very happy with it. Like I said, let's get off the bike and just do a quick walk around, show you where I'm at with the bike. Stay tuned for a couple more videos I got coming about the Pro 1 performance controls and mirrors. I got that coming out. Clear view windshield for the FXRT fairing, that's coming out too soon. But the bike runs great, guys. It runs fantastic, and I'm very happy with it. Power Vision, awesome stuff. Thank you for making the Power Vision 4, and I highly suggest it to you guys out there that are looking to just flash a quick tune to the bike and go. So yeah, that's my 2 cents, guys. My name is Miles. Ride fast, take chances, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.